It's mentioned in Surah Araf, chapter number 7, verse number 11 to 18, that Allah said to the angels, bow down, all bowed down except Iblis. And when Allah asked him, why have you not obeyed my commandment? He says, I am better in creation than Adam, because I was created from fire and Adam was created from clay. Then Allah says, get ye down, you disobedient. So Iblis requests Allah that give me respite, that you have punished me, but delay my punishment. And Allah says, I give you respite, I delay your punishment till the day of judgment. Then Iblis says that I will assault your followers from front and from behind, from left and from right, and I will misguide them. So Allah says, those who believe in me, who are my followers, will never be able to misguide, but all those who you misguide, you and them, I will fill with hell. This incident where Iblis, he tells to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I will assault the human beings from front and from behind, from left and from right, and I will misguide them from the straight path, is the origin of shirk or polytheism. The idea to disobey Allah, and the origin of shirk and polytheism is from that time. And this question, if you ask on ChatGPT, who knows what is ChatGPT? Who knows what is ChatGPT? So Perlis is not that advanced yet.
Or the young generation.
ChatGPT is a new thing that came in November last year, hardly about 7 months back, that you ask them anything, they will tell you the reply. And I tried to find the reply, I could not find it. So I asked my friend who has the latest version, version 4. Version 3 is up to 2022, version 4 is latest. And when we tried to find out, I could not get the reply. And this answer you will not even find in Google. I do not know what the organizer wanted me to speak when they gave this topic to me, origin of shirk, because it may be what I told you, that is the right answer, or it may be what history records. So I will cover both of it. Not to disappoint the organizers, I did not ask them what do they mean. But normally people don't think that the origin of shirk or the origin of polytheism was not after Adam. It was when Allah told the angels to bow down to Adam, all bowed down except Iblis. That's the time it originated. But when you Google and you try and find out, this is not there.